In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save videos from Instagram to your gallery in 2026. First, open Instagram and find the video you want to save. This can be one of your own videos or a public video that has the download feature enabled. Once you've opened the video, let it play and then tap the share button. A menu will appear with several options. Scroll through the menu and look for the download option. If it's available, tap it and Instagram will begin downloading the video to your device. After the download is complete, you'll receive a confirmation message. You can then open your Photos or Gallery app to view the saved video. Keep in mind that not every Instagram video can be downloaded. Some posts, including sponsored content and certain creator uploads, may not have the download option available. When it comes to photos, Instagram currently does not provide a built-in download button for images. If you open a photo post, you won't see the same download option that's available for some videos. To check your downloaded video, simply open your Gallery or Photos app. The video should appear there and be ready to watch offline whenever you want. And that's it. That's how to save videos from Instagram to your gallery in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more social media tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.